Sam Cox. I own a lake home in Northern Alabama up on the Tennessee River. I installed LeafFilter up there because I have a lot of beautiful trees. I have a lot of oak trees, hickory, sweet gum, and the area that I installed LeafFilter is over 3 stories tall, and it's very difficult to get on top of the roof to clean the gutters out. I put a new roof on. I put a tin roof on, and at the time that I put the tin roof on, I decided that I didn't want to get on top of the roof anymore because the tin roof is very slippery, and I decided to install LeafFilter. I saw ads on television about the product. It looked like it would be a good product, a good fit for my summer home in Northern Alabama. So I called the sales rep up, and the sales rep came out. He was very knowledgeable, very thorough. He gave me an estimate, and I decided to go with LeafFilter. Then they scheduled my appointment with a tech coming out of Birmingham, and the tech brought ladders tall enough to reach a 3-story roof to install my LeafFilter. I've had it installed now through the fall. I have no problems with leaves collecting in the gutters, which was my aim because I didn't want to get on top of that roof and clean leaves anymore. So I am very satisfied with the product. It's worked as advertised. So that's my testimonial.